NoiVerse. Hear it, learn it.
Wow, this restaurant looks amazing.
Welcome, Anna. I'm glad you like it. It's one of my favorite sushi places in Tokyo.
Everything looks so beautiful and clean.
Japanese restaurants usually care a lot about presentation.
I can see that. Oh, are those chopsticks?
Yes, they are. Do you know how to use them?
Not really. This is my first time.
No problem. I can show you how to hold them.
Thank you. I always wanted to learn.
Okay, take one chopstick and hold it like a pencil.
Like this?
Almost. Now put the second one under your thumb and rest it on your ring finger.
Oh, it's harder than I thought.
Don't worry, everyone feels that way the first time.
My sushi keeps falling.
Try moving only the top chopstick. The bottom one should stay still.
Ah, okay. Let me try again.
That's much better. You're doing great.
Yay! I picked up a piece.
Nice job. Now dip it lightly in soy sauce.
Lightly? Why not more?
Too much soy sauce can hide the real taste of the fish.
Oh, I see. You Japanese people are very careful about flavor.
Yes, we like balance. Each piece has its own taste.
This tuna is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. That's maguro, one of the most popular types.
Maguro. I'll remember that word.
Great. Next, you should try salmon.
Okay. Oh no, I dropped it again.
Haha, it happens. You're learning fast.
I feel like a little kid.
Then I'm your teacher today.
Thank you, Sensei.
You're welcome, student.
This is fun. I didn't know eating could be so interesting.
Food is a big part of our culture. It's not just eating, it's an experience.
I understand that now. Everything feels special.
That's the spirit. You're enjoying Japan like a local.
I'll keep practicing until I can eat like you.
Deal. By the end of the week, you'll be a chopstick master.
Haha, I hope so.
Let's make a toast to your first sushi in Japan.
Cheers, and thank you for teaching me.
My pleasure. Enjoy your meal.
NoiVerse. Hear it, learn it.